Imagine having a system that gives you step-by-step strategies to confidently find, implement, and manage stock trades. A system so effective, it eliminates the guesswork and puts you on a clear path to success in your stock trades. This isn't just an idea. It's the exact method we've developed for traders who are ready to take control of their trading. We understand the challenges. The market is unpredictable, the information overwhelming, and making the right decisions feels impossible at times. That's why our system simplifies everything. You'll learn proven strategies to build stock positions, manage buys and sells, take partial exits, and set stop losses, all with precision and clarity. At the heart of what we offer are tools that work. Our momentum models and trading tools give you access to the market's most actionable opportunities in real time. If you struggle with knowing which stocks to buy and when, you'll now have clear guidance. You'll always stay ahead. When you join today, you'll gain access to our complete suite of tools, including momentum zones, the Fibonacci Snap tool, and trend conditions. These tools are designed to help you clearly see market trend conditions so you can take action with confidence. You'll also receive 3 pre-built chart dashboards. These are fully set up trading dashboards in TradingView using our methods, ready for you to click, copy, and start using to trade stocks profitably. Here's the best part. You get all of this access in our free Discord server. If you're unfamiliar with Discord, think of it as a simple, easy-to-use website. It's your home base for everything Traders Pro, where you'll find tools, step-by-step strategies, and resources to trade successfully. There's no steep learning curve or complicated setup. Just log in, get your tools, and start trading. Opportunities are everywhere. Stocks of amazing growth companies have always been a foundation of wealth building. Get this system to discover which stocks are on the cusp of huge moves, which new technologies are taking hold, and which companies will profit the most, sending their stock prices soaring. Click the button below to register your free account now. The tools, the strategies, and the results you want are waiting. But time is critical, and these opportunities won't last forever. This is your moment. Will you take it?